Shoo. 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 Luigi! Mario, what the heck? Mario, what the heck was that for? Luigi, we just got something in the mail. Alright, let's see. Let's see what we have in the mail. Ugh, Mario, this is probably one of your stupid gadgets. No, it's not, Luigi. Just found it in the mail. It was unknown. Wait, what? Luigi? Mario, is that the fidget spinner? Mario, get that away. But Luigi, I can't. Mario, I can't resist it. Mario, get away from that. Mario, you know what happened last time. I know I was getting addicted to it and it kind of possessed me, but I need it. Mario, no! Oh, I need it. Let's see if it still lights up. Wait. It still does. It still does. Sorry, Luigi. I'm so sorry. Mario! Oh, this is gonna be one rough day. Whoa! That's spicy. Whoa, that smells really spicy. Mario, what's the name of this? What do you see? Oh, it is the name. Hot chicken flavored ramen. That's kind of the name is hot. Nice. That's how I like my spaghetti. Mario, come on! Mario? Oh man, this fidget spinner is so cool. Mario, are you seriously having a thing in? Sorry, Luigi. It just looks so cool. Mario, we need to get the thing right now. No, it's mine. Mario, back up. It's mine. Mario, okay, Mario, can have it. Thank you. It's mine. Okay, I'm gonna eat dinner now. Mario, when do you want dinner? Just now, I'm gonna play with my fidget spinner. So cool. Mario. Well, guess I'll eat them by myself. Yeah. This After a really long day of Mario spinning his stupid fidget spinner, or like awesome fidget spinner, finally go to sleep. Wait, why are you calling it stupid? Oh my god, Mario, it's stupid. How do you dare call it stupid? Where's my fidget spinner? Where is it? Mario, stop! Where is it? I can't live without my fidget spinner! Luigi, where? Ow! Mario, okay. Mario, I don't know where it is. Look, I see it. Is that my fidget spinner? Yes. Oh, yes. Yes, I have it finally. I can sleep with it. Oh my goodness, Mario. And me. You know what? Mario, just. Oh, my fidget spinner. Mario, you're crazy. No, you're crazy. Oh, Mario, just go to bed. Fidget spinner. Luigi needs to learn the true power of the fidget spinner. Is he asleep? Oh, he's asleep. He's asleep. Okay. Take that, Mario. I'm just wait once and for all. Wait. Is it morning? Oh no, it's still night. Good thing I have my spin. Luigi! Luigi. Pshing. Gotta run. Luigi! Oh, crap. Why would you take my flippin' fidget spinner? Mario, stop it, Mario. Why would you take my fidget spinner? Mario, because you're addicted to it. Shut up, Mario. Why? Luigi, give back my fidget spinner, and I'll tell you why. Because you're an imbecile. You took my only choice of entertainment. Now I'm gonna take that away from you. Mario, wait! There! Mario, snap out of it! Wait, what happened? I feel dizzy. What happened? Oh, I'll tell you what happened, Mario. You got that stupid fidget spinner again. Wait, that fidget spinner? Oh shoot, yeah. I need to get rid of the thing. You better get rid of it for good, Mario. Oh, I will. Yeah. There, it's gone. Well, good. Let's go back to bed. All right. Boing.